For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you've ever thought about replacing your capsule machine with something more flexible, the SMEG fully automatic coffee machine with steam wand is worth considering. I've been using it for my morning espresso routine, and what stood out immediately was how it balances automation with control. It handles the grinding and brewing for you, but still gives you hands-on input with the steam wand. Let's start with the integrated conical burr grinder. Using fresh beans instead of pods makes a noticeable difference. I tested the same beans pre-ground and then freshly ground with this machine, and the espresso shot from fresh beans had a stronger aroma and a thicker crema. Coffee experts, including the Specialty Coffee Association, highlight that burr grinders create a more consistent grind size, which is essential for balanced extraction. That's exactly what I've noticed in practice. The brewing system also performs to industry standards. With a 19-bar pressure pump, it matches what professional espresso machines use, ensuring enough force to unlock the oils and flavors in the beans. Combined with the Thermoblock heating system, water heats quickly and stays at a stable temperature. In my case, I can make back-to-back drinks without waiting, which is a big help when multiple people in my house want coffee at the same time. The steam wand with milk frother is where you get to be more involved. I'll be honest, it took me a couple of tries to get the milk texture right. But once you get the hang of it, you can make a smooth latte or a foamy cappuccino. I've even tried a mocha by adding chocolate to the milk before frothing, and the result was surprisingly good. Having this manual control gives you the flexibility that many capsule machines don't have. Cleaning is usually where many machines become a hassle, but SMEG made it easier with the removable brewing unit. I usually rinse it once a week, and it takes just a few minutes. Keeping it clean makes a noticeable difference in flavor consistency, and it also aligns with SMEG's own maintenance recommendations. So, if you're looking for a coffee machine that combines fresh grinding, proper brewing pressure, manual milk control, and easy maintenance, this SMEG model covers the essentials. From my own experience, it feels like a step up from capsule machines without overwhelming you with complicated steps. It gives you both the convenience of automation and the satisfaction of making your coffee just the way you like it.